billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Your Excellencies, from the Senate President, the Chairman of Governors Forum, all the governors here present, my advisors and my friend, Shetima, thank you very much. All the way to the airport, as we have friends and brothers, you have been very close. Thank you. Mother Sharif. To the chiefs, Your Royal Majesty, the Wasiri, and all the members of this chieftaincy kingdom, and friend of the palace. To me, so I'm just here to sympathize with you. I know your palace was overtaken by flood. I've had the report. My vice president gave me details. But to me personally, I know I have to cut off. I was going directly to America. But to be with you, if only for 5 minutes, share the moment. I thank you very much for your leadership, for various prayers. This one disaster that we must pay attention to. We will help Borno State. Your Excellency, the Governor, I could see the commitment and love shown across the board. The Governor of Bauchi is here. He's of a different party. And this is what is expected of Nigeria. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Our diversity to be used for our stability and prosperity. For us to share the faith in Allah and in humanity. For us to belong to each other. I had the mention of NFPC military. Thank you for what you have done. And very good response from Minister for Agriculture and Food Security. We, as a government, as Nigerian people, who pledge with you that we will help in the rehabilitation and of problems there. It is our problem. not just your problem, not the problem of community alone. We must share in each other's pain, joy, and sorrow. May Allah bless and accept the souls of those who had passed. May Allah help us stop the tragedy. The situation that we find ourselves in, the environmental problem, climate change, and all of this is what we must tackle differently, and we must educate our people. Please accept our pledge of solidarity and oneness. Thank you very much.